So this is oh, what the? That's not good. This is what it looks like snowing in Washington. As you can see, there's a lot of snow, and there's nobody else on the road but me, really. So it's kind of a good thing, though. So there's nobody here. I play. Look at the snowdrifts. Like you go through an area and there's like nothing there, and then you go through another area and there's like a 4-foot drift. Look at that. That guy's screwed tomorrow morning. And look at the plow just came through here. Like the plow will come through, and 5 minutes later, look, the road's covered back up. Whoa, there's a lot of snow. Yeehaw! We're sideways we are, baby. Sideways we are. All-wheel drive's so much fucking fun.